Hello, this is Mark Denham, radio presenter, audio producer, podcaster, and voiceover. Today on the audio journey, this is something we've looked at before. Today we're looking at it the other way, when not to noisegate, when to basically write off your audio. At the weekend, I watched a video on YouTube where a noisegate had been badly applied. And to be honest, I managed no more than 30 seconds before I had to turn off the video because the audio quality was absolutely unbelievably poor. If you are making any form of audio, be it a podcast, be it a YouTube vlog, a gaming video, be it a voiceover, you need to have good quality audio. Bad quality audio, if you're a voiceover artist, will get you no further work. Bad quality audio, if you're a podcaster, people will switch off, and the same if you are a YouTuber. Now, we have here a voiceover which has been recorded. This is Loyal Blue FM, and we are the people. There we are, some sweepers recorded last week, and you can see here in the spectral frequency where I'm not talking, there's no noise. We can see that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open a multi-track session here, and I'm going to add in this background noise. Now, let me just cut there so we don't have that big bit at the beginning. And listen to the noise on its own. Just some atmospheric street noise. We're going to put in the voiceover there. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to drop this, let's say, to -30 and have a listen. This is Loyal Blue FM, and we are the people. Okay, so that'll do. I'm going to cut there, and I'm just going to mix this one down, okay? Mix down to a new file, and there we now have some background noise. I now want to show you when a noise gate is not appropriate. So let's mix this down as well. And we now have two separate mix downs of this file, okay? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and apply a noise gate here. Firstly, though, I want to go to the amplitude statistics window, scan the selection of just the noise. No talking, just the noise. -54 is my figure for applying my noise gate. So I go in now, amplitude and compression, dynamic, set to default because we only want the noise gate, and -54. Okay, so there we are now. And you can see the change in the spectral frequency here. Noise, no noise. Let's have a listen here. Silence. This is Loyal Blue FM, and we are the people. Now, crucially, this has worked because that background audio did not overpower the voiceover. Yes, it was there. It was a nuisance. You couldn't work with it like that without noise gating it, but you've got recoverable audio with the background audio that quiet. That, however, was certainly not what I heard at the weekend on YouTube, where you have an awful lot of background noise here now. All right, so let's just select the background noise. Back to amplitude statistics, -19.84. So we'll apply here the noise gate again under the dynamics effect. Default, just the noise gate, and we are at -19 this time around. I've put -10. Let me change that to -19, and then we will be more accurate. And you can see success. So you think. It's gone from the background, but if we listen, this is Loyal Blue FM, and we are the people. Now, this is the sort of thing that I heard at the weekend where the background noise, I don't know what it was, maybe a studio fan or something like that, or air conditioning, or just generic background noise was overpowering the audio. And whoever made this thought, well, that's all right, I'll use a noise gate. And yes, it does trap out the noise here. Perfect silence. Perfect. Can't hear a thing because the noise gate is working. But a noise gate, however, is not discriminatory in the noise that it traps out. You set a threshold. Everything lower than that threshold is trapped out. Everything higher than that threshold is let through, even if that includes the background audio. And you can hear that we have successfully isolated the background noise where there's nothing going on. But the moment I start talking again, that background noise that we put in there, you can hear it pulsing in and out because the noise gate, if we zoom in here, the noise gate, this is picking up here and cutting. No, there's no noise. Cut it down. But then before it gets to cut it down. I start talking again. So it pulses right back again. And you can see here that we are not trapping out the noise at all. And you get this horrible pulsy noise. This is Loyal Blue FM, and we are the people. That's where not to noisegate. If you can get away with background noise that is quiet enough that it doesn't overpower the audio, you can then save that audio. This is Loyal Blue FM, and we are the people. You could go on and work with that audio. Obviously, it'd be best if you were to capture your audio without any noise at all, and then you would be okay. You could recover this audio and you could work with it. You could certainly make a YouTube video from this audio. But in terms of this one, this is just a write-off. And I'll tell you why this is a write-off. Let me get rid of the noise gate. I'm going to go in here now, noise reduction, and we'll try denoise. Not done anything. You can still hear the noise here. So let's crank it all the way up to 100%. And still there's noise. You can see it in the spectral frequency. But listen to what's happened to the actual voice as well. This is Loyal Blue FM, and we are the people. So you can do nothing with denoise to recover that audio. That's gone, that particular audio. Let's try also the adaptive noise reduction. High CPU effect, and still that noise is there. It's just too much. Reduce noise by. Shall we reduce the noise by a little bit more? Still it's there. Let's go all the way up, and still it's there. And listen. This is Loyal Blue FM. Again, that audio is definitely gone. It's a write-off. Finally, I'm going to show you one other way. We will select this here, and we go into Effects, Noise Reduction, Capture Noise Print. Okay, that's done. Now unselect that, allow the whole audio to be applied to. Noise print process, noise reduction process, and listen. Yes, we've lowered the volume, but it's all still there. And listen to the quality of your audio. This is Loyal Blue FM, and we are the people. Now that's still there. That noise is still there. So an important lesson. Firstly, record as clean as you can in a quiet space, an acoustically treated quiet space, and you'll get decent audio. If there are certain elements that you absolutely cannot get rid of, as long as they don't overpower the voice, as in example here that we have created, you can recover it. No noise here. Unfortunately, it was quiet enough that this is Loyal Blue FM. You've managed to recover the voiceover. But if you find that your noise is, let me just undo the noise reduction there. If you find that your noise is just too much, write it off. Start again. This is Loyal Blue FM. It just doesn't work. And certainly do not attempt to trap it away in a noise gate, because you will get the most awful sound ever. Just put the auto gate on here and listen. Look, all gone, works well, but the auto gate will allow through all the noise once you cross the threshold. This is Loyal Blue FM, and we are the people. So there you go. Do not use the noise gate to try and get rid of something like that. I'm sorry, write off the audio and start again. It's the only way to do it. Alternatively, if it's perhaps a one-take thing, an interview may be done in a noisy environment, then just live with it. But if you're trying to create a YouTube video where you are narrating, that's an absolute no-no. That's when not to use the noise gate. Hopefully this has been of help to you in telling you when to and when not to use the noise gate. As always, if you do have questions, then you can ask them. markdenham.com. Up at the top is the contact tab, along with the entire audio journey on there in blog form and video form. Also, if you're watching on YouTube, you can stick the question as a comment below, and I will get back to you whether it's via the website or via YouTube. And don't forget, if you are on YouTube, please do subscribe and tick the notification bell as well. Hopefully this has helped you with your noise gating questions and thoughts. Don't forget your questions if you do have them. As always, go away, have some fun, and make some amazing audio.